Josh slowed down. Drop that fire. Joyce slowed down.
Yeah. Kids. MGM. Up early with the birds, trying to get the paper. I was up all night, getting high skyscrapers. Only real in my words, can't speak for the fakers. Is it getting shit right? I'm a ball like a Laker. One thing about women, she a hoe, you can't save it. One thing about it, nigga, is they always change it. You gon' grind, then grind. You gon' shine, then shine. You can't waste no time. And stay 10 toes down. I've been getting paper. I've been getting paper, first thing on my mind when I wake up. That bitch a gold digger, I don't want her, I don't save her. I'll probably fuck her a couple times and then trade her. My ex bitch don't know my new bitch and still hate her. Even though I feel bad, I say fuck it and still date her. Fuck nigga, get your cake up. You boys better wake up. My brother sell powder and I know that shit stay cut. Now I don't sell white, but I can get you pounds of A+. I still know how to cook her. How you boys all shook up. Like how you get the hook up. Bitch, I know the recipe, my case still pending. I hope I beat the felonies, cause I've been going wild lately like it's no tomorrow. I've been trying to get it now lately like it's no tomorrow. Like motherfuck your frown lately like it's no tomorrow. I've been on my fucking grind, wanna see my niggas ball till we fall. So up early with the birds, trying to get the paper. I was up all night, getting high skyscrapers. Only real in my words, can't speak for the fakers. Is it getting shit right? I'm a ball like a Laker. One thing about women, she a hoe, you can't save it. One thing about it, nigga, is they always change it. You gon' grind, then grind. You gon' shine, then shine. You can't waste no time. And stay 10 toes down. I do this for my niggas who ain't never had shit. For all the lost young souls falling not average. Tryna make a couple dollars on the block with the Prada. They can't forget about us. How we gon' eat without us? I pray every morning and count my riches at night. It was a dark, lonely road, brought that shit straight to life. I'm living on these niggas, that's that shit they don't like. I don't care if that's your bitch, she get that dick when I like. You niggas ain't did shit for me, they ain't hit lit for me. They ain't get rich for me, so I ain't got no sympathy. I had to go and get it, like nigga, how ready can you be? My team stay committed, and we came up in the streets. If you working 9 to 5, or you a little dope boy like me, know my nigga, you're not alone. I'm out here getting it every week. I'm out working all days. I saw my purpose always. Shoot and keep a big K. You pussy niggas better stay away. Hate up early with the birds, trying to get the paper. I was up all night, getting high skyscrapers. Only real in my words, can't speak for the fakers. Busy getting shit right, I'm a ball like a Laker. One thing about women, she a hoe, you can't save her. One thing about it, nigga, is they always changing. You gon' grind then grind, you gon' shine then shine. You can't waste no time, and stay 10 toes down.